Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with immediate safety. Park on firm level ground and engage the parking brake so the car won't roll. Once done, put chocks in front of and behind the diagonal wheel to stabilize it. Next, locate the Cadillac Ats factory jacking point, typically the reinforced pinch weld behind the front tire or the rear pad near the rocker. This is critical because using the wrong spot can bend body panels. Prepare a jack rated for at least 1 ton and an appropriate jack stand before you lift. Position the jack saddle directly under the identified jacking point and make sure it sits squarely on the reinforced seam to avoid slippage. Pump the jack handle in smooth strokes and watch the contact point closely. Lifting too fast or off-center risks damage. Lift until the tire is about 1 to 2 inches off the ground, just enough to remove the wheel. Then move a jack stand into place under the manufacturer's recommended support and lower the vehicle slowly so it settles firmly on the stand before you do any work. When the job is done, raise the car a fraction to remove the jack stand and then lower the vehicle slowly and evenly until the tire contacts the ground. Make sure the engine is off and the parking brake remains set the whole time so nothing moves unexpectedly. If at any point the jack slips or you hear metal creak, stop, support the car with an additional stand, and do not work under it. Check the jacking point for deformation or corrosion. If damaged, move to the reinforced lift area or consult a pro.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.